Yeah, I mean, like the announcement saying holding steady, pretty much what everybody expected. I think only like 8%. There was like an 8% chance that we were going to see a change in rates. So this is no surprise. I think what's interesting is kind of um the subtext of the announcement, and then some of the other things coming around it. Core inflation is still a little high, and headline inflation is in line now. So it's not terrible news. It's not great news. It would be nice if core inflation was also down. And the other thing is, like, there was no straight forecast, right? Like, there's no, hey, we can see us cutting rates in the future. They kind of like talked about the State of the Union with the potential recession, slow down growth, maybe stabilization, and then basically that they are ready to act if these things happen. I think that if you look at what the market is predicting, the market is kind of expecting rates to stay to hold until September-ish, right? Like, and then maybe later in the year we'll see some sort of change in rates, but it's at least for the next little bit, it's gonna hold for a while. And the I can't remember the exact percentage, but the percentage of predictions of rate cuts happening out beyond the September timeframe is not very high either. So I think for our clients, there's a couple of things to note. One, like obviously mortgages are impacted, but what's happening now is we're actually seeing a rise in fixed rate mortgages. So we know some of our clients who were closing properties last month were getting sub 4% mortgage rates on properties like personally held personal residence, sub 4 on 3-year fixed mortgages. Now they're closer to 4, some at like 4 and a quarter. So the fixed rate, 3-year fixed rate mortgage rate has been slowly creeping up. So I think that is actually probably more impactful for a lot of our clients who are purchasing right now.
Yeah, I think, and what's funny is the U.S. is having their announcement today as well, which is pretty uncommon to have both central banks do an announcement.